Hello, welcome back. This video, I will be doing. Okay, alright. Welcome back to the Auto Technology YouTube channel. I am back with another video. This video is on how to customize your Chromebook and what you can do with the wallpaper. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. So, first, what you want to do here is you want to go into Files, click My Files. Click downloads or where you save the image. Click OK. Well, here's what I want to do. I want to send it as my wallpaper. So you can go into options up here after you select it and click set as wallpaper. And then that's all you have to do. If you want to reposition it, you do this, set wallpaper in style, and you can personalize it that way. If you not see that, you might be on a different Chrome OS version, but it's mainly the same stuff. I can still move this. Oops, I am so sorry about that. I can move this shell to, let's say, the left or to the right or back to bottom. You can personalize this if you want, and you can do whatever you like with this. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out till then. Ooh.